Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I don't know if you might notice, but the sound of the microphone is a little bit better. I did get a new mic. My Blue Yeti was sounding very muffled, as I could tell. I was doing several videos now. So I picked up a Fifine microphone. It was like 30 bucks. Sounds much clearer, a little more crisp. Let me know if you guys think so. But anyways, today's video, we are going to be doing an ETB, Evolving Skies. Been waiting to open this since release, so we're gonna do this. And yeah, so I want to thank everybody again for all of the views. My shorts have been blowing up recently, which is pretty cool. I hit 500 on like my second to last one. Like from a couple days ago, which is insane. We're up to 71 subs now. So everybody's watching this, just do me a favor, like, sub. Guys, the quicker we get to 100 subs is the quicker we do the next giveaway. So if y'all want to help me out there, I would greatly appreciate it. So yeah, we're gonna open this up. I mean, I'm sure all of you guys have seen this by now. It's the little, booklet that comes with the ETB. Allergies are kicking a little bit. Alright. Got the packets, booster packs. We got some dye. Focus U. There we go. Cool looking dye. Got some counter tokens. We got some sleeves, which I'm probably never going to use. And there you go, guys. Code card that comes with the box. And energies. So that's going to stay packed. And we got some dividers. Sure you guys have seen these by now, but alright, so let's get to the nitty-gritty and open these Evolving Skies packs. At the Morb Room. So I haven't been able to get any more packs for Evolving Skies, like anywhere. It's been really hard. Everything's either sold out by the time you hit restock day, or you even know what day's restock day for like Target or Walmart. They're all gone. Like, I've had no luck finding stuff. So I'm just trying to grab things where I can. Like, I grabbed some Battle Styles packs 2 nights ago from Target, but that's all they had. They only had like maybe 6 booster packs. I took like 3 or 4 of them. Alright, so here we go. First pack. Got Flaffy, Braviary, Switching Cups, Carvanha, Emolga, Slackoth, Gossifleur, a Love Disc, Reverse Herdier, and a Talonflame. Non-hollow. So there's one. So again, guys, I appreciate everybody who's supported the channel so far. You know, it's always very hard, from what I've heard, starting out on YouTube as a brand new channel. So all the support helps, even if it's a little bit. You know, all the likes, the comments, the subs. You know, I gotta start somewhere. Everybody starts somewhere. So everything helps. So if you guys could throw a sub, leave some feedback, that would be more than appreciated. We got Eevee, a Tinpole, a Reverse Dialga, and Galarian Moltres. First hollow of the ETB. I already have this. I think I already have 2 of them. So, I know I mentioned it before in a previous video. I'm going to try and do another live event, hopefully next week. Again, like I said, with everything being so scarce for supply, you know, it's obviously hard to justify a live event if I can't find the product to do so. Just wouldn't make sense. But I'm going to visit my local game store on Tuesday, so in a few days, to see what they got, as long as the prices are reasonable. Alright, Rufflet, Drowsy, a Hey Baby Flabebe, Roggenrola, Psyduck, a reverse full face guard, and Pinsir. Non-holo. Ugh, 3 packs in. We got 1 holo. Moltres. Need some full arts, man. Evolving Skies has not been treating me very well. But then again, I really haven't opened too much for Evolving Skies. So we got a full face guard, a Hypno, Vigoroth, a Tentacool, a Hoppip, a Dino, a Reap. Oh, we might have something. We might have something. Wobbuffet, Reverse Milotic. We have something. Guys, we have something. Okay, make sure it's centered in the camera. I'm leaning off a little bit. And Punch-Out! Ah! An Espeon V. Oh man, I already have this one. Come on. Well, it's a pull, right? It's a pull. Yo, I'm so jealous. I keep seeing all these people pull like full arts and all ultimate full arts. I'm getting nothing. Nothing. Dark Energy, Roma Lady, Moon and Sun Badge, a Pyroar, Swablu, a Seedot, a Woobat, an EVDVD, Timpole, a Reverse Tentacool, and a Flying Apple. Oh, gotta find a different way to mount my phone. Oh, forgot to show you guys. I ordered the Halloween Snorlax. Just came in today in the mail. Yeah, today. It's there when I got home from work. Yeah, and everything on Pokemon Center sells out like. You don't order it the first day. It's nuts. The rate that people are buying stuff. Okay. I don't know if you guys saw, the other night they had a Celebrations tin up, but naturally whenever you clicked on it, you got the 404 error. So you couldn't pick it up. Which is annoying, but I guess that means it's coming. Reverse Hoppip. Oh, Rayquaza VMAX! Woo! Yo! That is awesome. We got one, we got one, we got one. Wow. I don't think I have this one. I don't believe so. I think I have Rayquaza V. Yo! Alright. Rayquaza VMAX. Let's go. We got 2 packs left. Oh, my phone wanted. I don't like this recording app. It doesn't autofocus. That's cool. We got Rayquaza VMAX. Again, let me know what you guys think of the new mic. To me, it sounds more clear, which is very important. Focus, stupid thing. Treasure Energy, Ribbon Badge, Cutie Fly, an Apple, Diamond Eyes, Nickit, Iceberg, Rockman, Reverse Hollow, and a Metachan V. I have this one. It's not exciting. At least not for me. Alright, last pack. Boom. Shaboom. Alright. Water Energy. A Lantern. Treasure Energy. A Digging Gloves. A Rufflet. Drowsy. Flabebe. Roggenrola. Psyduck. Reverse Braviary. And a Seismitoad non-hollow. So that was a pretty cruddy pulling, or opening. We did get Rayquaza VMAX, which is cool. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you guys again. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, help me get to 100 subs, and we will do another giveaway. So we're gonna get there, slowly but surely, but we're gonna get there. So I ask for you guys' support. Be greatly appreciated. The faster we can go, the more giveaways we'll do. Until next time, thank you guys for watching.